Hey Red Apple Girls, Ashley here. In this video, I'm going to be creating a springtime makeup look using the lipstick in the shade called Kiss on the Chic. To get started, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Porcelain, and I'm going to be applying this all over the eyelids to act as a base, and then anything left over on the brush, I'm going to sweep up to the brow bone to act as a matte highlight. Next, taking the eyeshadow in the shade called Sandcastle, I'm going to be applying this all over the eyelids. Since I'm going for a very light and fresh makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and skip eyeliner and just go straight to applying the Lash Project Mascara. And now, to complete this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Kiss on the Chic lipstick. And this is the completed look. One thing that I love about this particular look is it only uses 4 Red Apple lipstick products, so it's very quick, super easy to do, and it's just very light and fresh looking, which I don't know about you, but in the springtime I really like just light, fresh makeup looks. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.